Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. I've created quite a few YouTube thumbnails in Canva without any graphic design experience. And thanks to Canva having so many cool templates, you don't need to be that good at graphic design. You can just choose a cool template and edit it with your own information. So let me show you how you do that. So from your Canva homepage, you can search through the templates to start with. So on the left-hand side, click on templates. Then we're going to type in the box thumbnail. Click on YouTube thumbnail. Then you can filter the thumbnails by style, language, and categories. So we want a YouTube thumbnail. Then have a think about the style of your YouTube channel. What are you creating? Do you want something bold, modern, simple, feminine, creative, like corporate? What is your channel about? And choose the style. So let's say we've got a horror channel. So you can even type in the top horror. So YouTube thumbnail horror. And that style would be probably dark, wouldn't it? So I'm going to put the style as dark. Then I'm going to scroll down, have a look through the horror thumbnails. I'm going to choose that I think would be good for my particular video. So say we're doing something like 15 scariest stories. So maybe something like this might be good. So I'm going to click into that and click on customize this template. And then you have loads of different options to edit here. You can leave the background as it is, as it looks pretty cool. You can change up the image if you want by clicking on the image. There's loads of like different photos and videos you can use. So clicking on photos. So I might type in scared face if I wanted to change the image, and you can have a scroll through there. You can also upload your own photos as well. So by clicking on the upload tab, so click on uploads and upload files if you want to upload images from somewhere else. You can also edit the photos. You can add filters, make it lighter or darker, things like that. You can also change up these images. So we've got bats there, so you can change them to different colors or things like that. You can animate them, things like that. And then you can add in different text. So it might be something like, what have we got? Like 15 scariest, let's say. We're doing, so that's gone a little bit too big there. So I can click on it and then I can make the writing a little bit smaller so it comes in one line. So I'm just making that a bit smaller so we can still see it. So 15 scariest, let's say, stories ever. And again, I might make that a little bit smaller so it fits in one row. And you can see, yeah, it all sits really well there at an angle. You've got like the cobweb down the bottom. I quite like the bats. I love the colour. This is brilliant for like a horror channel. So once you're happy with your thumbnail, all you have to do is download it. So I'm just going to type in at the top. To keep yourself organised, it's good to put in like a title, scary stories. And when you're happy, we're going to click on share to download the thumbnail. So from there, click on share, then download. And you can leave it as a PNG as that is suggested. And then all you need to do is click on download, and that will be downloaded to your computer and you can add it to your YouTube video. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.